guys, today we are going to talk about the BBG Voyager riding jacket and how does it performs and how does it feels when you wear it. So this is a brand new jacket which I just bought a couple of days back. So I haven't used it on road fairly, but yes, I can tell you how it feels in the first hand when you wear it, or how is the material. So if you want to know more about this jacket, or even if you're thinking to buy it, I suggest you do not skip this video at any part. Watch this video till the end and I will make sure that you get each and every information correctly. So this is Metalhead Rider. Welcome to my channel and let's do in the intro. Okay guys, so this is the Biking Brotherhood jacket. You can see it is written Biking Brotherhood gears. So this is the jacket. It is the model Voyager. So I just bought around couple of days back. I haven't tried it on road yet, but yes, I have put it on. So I just kept it in the bag the way it came, so you can take a guess or you can take a look how you can receive or how you are going to receive the jacket when you buy it for the first time. So overall, this is the covering jacket, the covering bag in which you are going to keep your jacket when you are not using it. So this bag is branded with Biking Brotherhood gears and there is the company website. So and you can open it from here. So you can see there is a zipper. So let me just take out the jacket from the bag and then I will show you the features of this jacket and everything. First, let's just take out the jacket. And fix the winter liner with the jacket, and it is also easily removable. Just unzip the jacket and there you go, you have the winter liner. So if we just keep this aside and see what else we have got in this jacket. So as soon as we remove the winter liner, we can see the back protection or the back plate is exposed, and this is a level 2 C level 2 category armor, and inside there is this breathable mesh with the pockets for basically this jacket doesn't have a chest protector, but it has pockets if you want to put chest protector afterwards. So there is the pocket, and you can see the shoulder protectors. These are also C level 2 protectors, and also you can, I cannot show you, but you can see there is the elbow guard or elbow protector. This is also level 2. With that said, let's see what the pockets and what we have got inside. So inside we have got a waterproof pocket for your mobile phone, and I will just show you. This is a standard size mobile phone, and then I will be putting this, and you can, as you can see, it goes perfectly inside. And you also, if you want, you can also make a hole through this portion and make way for your headphones if you want. I don't recommend that because it would make this pocket easily accessible for water. So with that said, this is the 2XL size jacket, and there is one pocket for your mobile phone inside the jacket, and then there is this zipper for if you want to connect your riding pant with it, you can do it. You have got that thing covered. So let's just see the outside of this jacket. So from the outside, I can say that this part of the jacket is breathable, and when you will be riding your motorcycle, you will be having airflow through this part of this jacket, but air won't flow on this part and this part. So this front part is breathable. Also in the arms, there you have got the Biking Brotherhood branding here. Also branding here on in every button there is a branding. So this part is also non-breathable, but this is a breathable part. You can see. Actually, this part comes frontward while you are riding. So this is the breathable part. Also, here you have got the breathable part here, and this is the non-breathable part. You got the Biking Brotherhood logo or the branding. And one interesting thing is that you get a emergency display card, or if you want to put a display, if you want to put in display of your emergency contacts and your details here, you can just put it. You have got a small pocket which displays anything if you want to. And the arms comes with adjustable velcro. Then if you want to adjust your arm's length, I mean the wrist area, you can adjust it. It's a good quality velcro. And then for adjusting your arm or the wrist or maybe your riding jacket, you get a proper zipper to open up the arm even more. So this is it. And the adjustable straps in the arms are this kind of buttons you get. You don't get any velcro out here, but you get buttons, which is pretty good and tactile. You can see the zippers are all YKK zippers, so you get a very good quality zipper and it won't get damaged anytime soon, I guess. Now talking about the collar, inside you get a soft fabric which won't make any irritation to your neck and would be very comfortable while wearing it. Now turning over to the back side of this jacket, there you go, this is the back side of the jacket. Here you can see the Voyager logo is here, and you can see the Biking Brotherhood gears branding is here with the hip protection. This is the hip protection. You have got adjustable straps for your hips, and these are all reflective panels in back with a pocket for your rain cover. I mean, you can put your rain cover in here. See, this is the rain cover. Okay, so this is the rain cover for the for the jacket. It's high visibility neon orange color with a BBG branding at back and also BBG branding at front in the chest area. So good quality fabric, and it is 100% rain or waterproof. So keeping that aside, you can see, if you see the jacket, these are all reflective fabric, and this is also reflective panel. In both the sides also you get reflective panels here, and the stitchings are all reflective. These are also reflective panels. These pockets which you get in the side are also 100% waterproof pockets, so you can keep anything but it won't get wet. This is also this side also you get a waterproof pocket. So this is it. This is the basic functionality and the basic structure of this jacket. It's kind of heavy. It's around with a guess it around 3 to 4 kilos. Now I will do one thing. I will just wear it and I will show you how does it fit with my body and how is the comfort. So yes, this is the way how this jacket feels. I mean, it's really comfortable being that kind of heavy jacket. I mean, the movement is pretty clear and I can do every kind of movement. I have full freedom. Let me just zip it up and see how is the mobility. See, I can put my hands up and put my hands down. I can do this, Wakanda forever. Anyways, this jacket is fantastic in fitting and the quality of the fabric is good. I can feel the air flowing through here, but it gets hot if you are standing, just wearing it, and if you are standing. But when you will ride with wearing this jacket and the air will flow from this breathable area, then it will get more comfortable and it will make much of a sense. But yes, this is it. This is the BBG Voyager. And if you want to buy it, the price is around 7,000, but you can get discount anytime in the online market. So keep a track of it. If you track of it, I guess you will get a price around 6,800 or even less. With that said, this is going to be my riding jacket from now on. and I will be using it in all my rides. So alright, with that said, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, or if there is anything more you want me to share about this jacket, do tell that in the comment. I will make sure that you get that information. With that said, this is Metal Lead Rider signing off, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, ride safe, ride hard, and obey the COVID-19 protocols.